Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. Today, let's see how to make a spiced dal powder, the curry powder I use for making vegetables. This gives a good taste and texture to the vegetables. It can be made in small batches and stored for a month. Let's get started. I have taken 50 grams of dhania or coriander seeds, 50 grams of urad dal, 50 grams of channa dal. In cup measurements, you can take any cup, 1 cup channa dal, 1 cup urad dal and 1.5 cups of dhania or coriander seeds. 10 to 12 dry red chillies and a few of these Kashmiri chillies. They are not spicy but gives a good color to the powder. Now let's begin the process. We have to roast them with a few drops of gingelly oil. Take a kadai, add a few drops of oil and we will start roasting it. If you roast dry chillies and dhania without oil, the smell will irritate the throat. Add the channa dal and urad dal. Keep the flame low and roast them. As it is roasted halfway, add the coriander seeds and chillies. Keep roasting them for a few minutes. They will start turning golden brown. Do not stop roasting them in between. It may burn if it is left unattended. You can see that it has turned golden brown now. Switch off the stove. Allow it to cool and powder it. Now I have transferred it to a mixer jar and powder it coarsely. With this powder, we will now make stuffed brinjal. I have taken around 2 tablespoons of the curry powder which I have made. I have around 250 grams of brinjals. Select the smaller ones for this. It tastes better and cooks evenly. Salt and turmeric powder and a few spoons of gingelly oil. Add the salt and turmeric powder to the curry powder we made. Mix them well. I have washed the brinjals already. Cut the top and slit them as I am doing it. Check if there are any insects or worms and they are good to use. Cut and keep everything ready. Stuffed the powder mixed with salt and turmeric. I had to discard a few of my brinjals as they were not good. So I may not need all the curry podi I have taken. You can use it in your sambar too or keep it and use it the following day. But just adjust the salt accordingly when you are using it in other dishes. Heat a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of gingelly oil, half teaspoon of mustard. Allow it to crackle. Add a little hing and a few curry leaves. Add the stuffed brinjals and cook them covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Check in between and add a few spoons of water. Close and cook again for a few more minutes. As I am not adding more oil, I am adding a spoonful of water and allowing it to cook again for a few more minutes. You can see that it's cooked well now. Yummy stuffed brinjal curry is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. See you all in another interesting and useful video. Stay tuned to Simple Trends and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.